on video of me.
Good morning. What do you have the pleasure of doing today?
Washing muck spreaders.
Washing poo!
Yeah, I didn't even use them.
I know, I just said
I just
that.
loaded them. And I've got to wash them.
You don't have to.
It's a easy job, but someone got to do it.
I don't mind. I'm in my sumo wrestler suit this morning. To keep me dry because we are washing muck spreaders. So I'm going to get very dirty. Keeps me warm and it's quite dingy, look. It's really nice out here this morning. And the joyous job starts. Let's go and have a look at the back of my spreader and see how bad it is. Some of this muck hasn't come from us, so it's guaranteed there was string in it. I actually saw string going in. Wasn't a lot because you do pull most of the strings, but you can never get it all. But let's see how much I have to pull out / cut out. So I have to get all of that string off and out of that spreader. Then give it a wash. Oh, it's not too bad actually. I thought it was going to be a lot worse than that. Right, so let's cut it off. It's not too dirty either. I'm just going to have a jump inside. Actually, no, I'll open the door in a second and we'll have a look. Poor Dan's on bigger washer duty and he didn't even dry them. Okay, and that's them string free. Just one more to go. So this is what they look like before. So this is a before, and that's after. Before, after. Jack's still going and his face is full of mud. Right, so we've got big jobs on. We're gonna link them up together so we can pull two. And then we'll put both Richard Westons together and we'll pull them two as well. So I don't think we need forklift or anything with this. We can literally just raise it on the stand. So my tractor's being backed up at the moment to the other bunny. So they're not that long actually when you're pulling them together, and they do follow quite well. It just saves 4 tractors going instead of just 2 going. So we're trying to hook, that wasn't bad for first attempt, that onto there. So I'm just going to watch Ben back. So I'm going to stand out of the way. This is good because you can just wind the stand up. So forward, forward a little bit. Forward. Stop! I said forward. Forward. Keep going. Stop. That's it. Over this way. That way. That's it. Backwards, I mean. Not very good with my instructions, so that's it. Keep it coming in that lock. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Bit more. A little bit more. Bit more. Stop. Wait, let me have a look. Oh. Go forward. You're not right there yet. Huh? You're not quite there yet.
How far up for it?
Not very far.
That's not far off, is it?
No.
No, right, I'll just kick back round.
Forward and left a little bit. Oh, we nearly left a screwdriver. Whoa! No! No! Stay in there and I'll shout to you. Huh? Yep, it's in. It's all good. All good. Yeah, it's on. So now it's in, put the linchpin in. We can air caps off, lights in, and that's good, yeah. Red and yellow, stand, under here. Oh no, this is for the stand, this blue. Ooh.
Have you put the locking thing in now?
Yeah. It's in, isn't it? That's it. And that is the last spreader clean. I wouldn't say that fast track is though. The back end. Right. I'm gonna take my sumo wrestler suit off now because it's a bit hot. Ben's hooked up with his 2 muck spreaders. I'm hooked up with my 2 muck spreaders. Look at that. Right, off we go. Let's go and find our way. We have no idea where we're going. And with these on the back, you cannot reverse. So there's no hope in reversing. We just got to make sure we go the right way. I'm in front, so that's more pressure on me, I suppose. I roughly know where I'm going, but not very well. But as I said, if you get stuck, there's no going back. So we get our muck spreaders from SW Hire, so that's where we're going at the minute. So we're going all the way up to Chippenham. Wipe my windows because I can't see anything. So it's a fair way. It is now 11 o'clock. Let's see what time we get there. I left my pumpkin on the front. I think I should put that in. Put that in my box. I don't want that on the road. So we made it here. I've just had to walk up the road, check the gates open because, as I said, you can't reverse them things. And it is. So that's lucky. We can get straight in. It's only because it's a Sunday. I'm not sure whether, they're open or not, but they are. So we're just dropping 4 muck spreaders off at SW Hire, currently in Chippenham. What's the time now? It's taken us exactly 2 hours, so it's 1 o'clock now. So probably exactly 2 hours to get home. To SW Hire, managed to get in. We're just dropping the spreaders off now. Okay. How's Ben's parking? Good or bad? Let's have a look. Oh. So I said I'm at SW Hire. Can't miss it. So Dan used to go to college with Simon Lackham. What? Yeah, don't drop it off without the shoe. And it's expanded so massive. This is actually where Jeremy Clarkson got his equipment from for Clarkson's farm. You recognise the glasses as well that he wore? So at SW Hire, and we're dropping the muck spreaders off. It started really quite small and now it's massive, so great job Simon. And Dan and Simon used to go to Lackham College, which isn't far from here, so we're in Chippenham at the minute. We've got our double spreaders, just dropping them off. Ben's marrow stayed there the whole time. Look. Come on then, Ben. Up with the arms. Up! That'll be why. And drop down. There we go. Hey, and because they're air braked, they will not go anywhere. There we go. Dropped. off. Here though, my watch thought I was having like a workout on like a epicledal thing because I was bouncing around so much, because it literally was going like that. I had to take it steady. So yeah, my watch thought I was having a workout.
Meanwhile, Dad is just using the old telehandler to put the last of the silage out in those troughs. As you can see, the cows absolutely love it. The bucket just chops it up into chunks that the cows can actually get in their mouths. The other thing that we feed when the silage isn't quite as good, doesn't have quite as much energy in as it needs, is a little bit of fodder beet. So this is fodder beet that we buy in, and it's good because it's really high energy and also very tasty for the cattle. So the cows absolutely love this. So the next job to do today is we're just scraping down all of the cow muck that's in the cow yard. So this is from the last couple of days, or well, today and yesterday. We try and do it every day during winter. Meanwhile, Dad is over there. He's just putting another bale of straw in that shed. That's where the parlour is, and all the cows right now are in there, in the nice warm shed. We do this every day during the winter. In summer we do it a bit less because the cows are spending the vast majority of their time out in the fields, but in winter it's just far too wet and muddy to have them out, and all they get is they just get mastitis, which is an infection in their udder, just because there'd be that much mud. They'd be miserable, and much better to just keep them inside, keep them warm, keep them dry, and then we can feed them silage out here in the cow yard, and then we feed them concentrate in the parlour. Very simple system, but it works for us and means that we don't have the massive cost of having a tractor and mixer wagon. However, a tractor and mixer wagon would be better, just because we could mix the feeds and the cattle would like it a bit more.
Watch out for the next video, and he explains a lot about what he's doing. So thank you for watching. Did you like Charles Come? Thumbs up, thumbs down in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.